friends, friends. Look, look. Picture, picture. See, see. Sun, sun. Moon, moon. Star, star. Cloud, cloud. Sky, sky. Peacock, peacock. Tree, tree. Sparrow, sparrow. Manna, manna. Crow, crow. Parrot, parrot. Cow, cow. Deer, deer. Meadow, meadow. Monkey, monkey. Branch, branch. Squirrel, squirrel. Reading time. Look, listen and repeat. I am drawing and my friends are looking at my picture. They see the sun, the moon, the stars and the cloud in the sky. The peacock is dancing near the tree. The sparrow is sitting in between the manna and the parrot. The cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. The monkey is sitting up there on a branch of the tree. The squirrel is also sitting on a branch of the tree.